Good morning, sir. I'm Midshipman Balagot. I will station for this subject call regs in Rule 6. Rule 6 is safe speed. Safe speed, every vessel should all times proceed at a safe speed so that she can take a proper and effective action to avoid collision and be stopped within a distance appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditions. In determining a safe speed, the following factors shall be among those taken into account by all vessels: the state of visibility, the traffic density, including concentrations of fishing vessels or any other vessels. And that's all, sir. Thank you.